Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission has intensified its operations on fighting corruption and tracing assets back to the public coffers and public ownership. 19 public assets worth some 2.7 billion shillings have been recovered by the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission. The EACC says the asset recovery process was undertaken in the last 4 months, as NTV's Mel Miendo reports.
The Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission CEO Twalib Mbarak, through a statement seen by NTV, confirmed that 19 convictions have been secured from January to April 2019. These are prosecutions of criminal cases against public officers and individuals in the private sector. Among the assets recovered are the University of Nairobi property worth 2 billion shillings recovered along Galana Road, land belonging to the Kenya Ports Authority pension scheme in Kikambala valued at 378 million shillings. 2 parcels of public land reserved for Survey Camp Nakuru Municipality valued at 42 million shillings. Another 2 belonging to the Muslim Primary School Nakuru Municipality block valued at 16 million shillings. 4 blocks belonging to the Ministry of Housing in Nakuru Municipality block valued at 69 million shillings was also recovered. A parcel of land belonging to the Postal Corporation of Kenya in Nakuru town valued at 150 million shillings was recovered as well. In Naivasha, the EACC recovered 142 acres of land belonging to the Kenya Agricultural and Livestock Research Organization, valued at 490 million shillings. While in Sotik Township, the EACC in Bomet recovered 2 parcels of land meant for the county stadium, valued at 4.4 million. The EACC is currently investigating claims of illegal acquisition of government land off Bishop's Road in Kilimani belonging to the Kenya School of Law, valued at 500 million shillings. EACC has adopted the alternative dispute resolution mechanism in most of its asset recovery proceedings, especially on issues to do with land. Mel Miendo, NTV.